Hello everyone, welcome to SmartRepricer Basic Learning Series. Today we are going to talk about orders feature on SmartRepricer. What can you do on orders management, how you can manage all of your orders, or if you would like to make any changes, how you are going to do, we are going to talk about. From SmartRepricer dashboard, click Orders tab. When you click your Orders tab, the first info you are going to see the order classification, such as the orders you have received while you have the buybacks, the orders you receive while a competition had the buybacks, the orders you receive when there was no buybacks in the list. You can make also date selection from the above. Once you have look at your orders, you are going to see all of your orders. First thing, you can make some filters. You can filter the order you receive while you have the buybacks, competition had the buybacks, and there were no buybacks on the list. And also, you can download all of the selected orders and you can make bulk action. You can download and you can update all of your cost information after the order process. Let us see how can or what kind of information we can see depending the orders. When you click any order, the first info is going to appear order details. You are going to see that the order status such as unshipped or sent. You will be able to see what was the fee, the cost, and the profit. You will have a chance to update your cost from the tax and also fees. You can even change the cost information, money currency, and the money. And the other information is that when you have the purchase, what was the competition last updates? So your competition at the time of the purchase, you are going to see the other sellers' competition prices. So that's how you can be much more knowledge what was your price when you are selling. And also the last update before order, which what was the strategy name, what was the minimum price, what was the maximum price, and last update. And even you can see your price changes either. The other information you can also see that from the order, you can go back and you can click any other orders. All of the information will be the same. So if you like to make changes, you can make an update cost, your tax and fees, and also cost information. But also, if you want to dive deep about your competition prices, you can get much more insight. That's all. You have spent a lot of time in order section, but it's going to take only 2 minutes to understand and also manage your order, all of your operation for Smart Pricer. See you soon again.